Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Vikings gloves is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any football player, especially those braving the cold. These gloves offer a crucial blend of grip, protection, and warmth, allowing players to maintain peak performance in challenging conditions. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the right pair of gloves can significantly impact your game, enhancing your ability to catch, throw, and handle the ball with confidence. Number 5. Wilson NFL Stretch Fit Football Gloves. These gloves are designed for both youth and adults. They are made by Wilson and are perfect for any football player looking for a great grip. The combination of stretch materials and segmented palm allows for a snug fit. This design makes it a one-size-fits-most glove, ensuring a comfortable fit for most hands. The split silicone palm with design separation points provides a tacky grip. This feature enhances the player's ability to catch and hold the ball securely. The polyliquor backhand with silicone overlay ensures superior ventilation and stability. This design helps keep your hands cool and dry during intense gameplay. The hook and loop wrist strap provides a tight, performance fit. This feature ensures the gloves stay securely in place, allowing you to focus on the game. These gloves are also available in adult sizes, including a San Francisco 49ers edition. They offer the same great features and performance for fans of the team. What we like. This glove offers a snug, one-size-fits-most design, ensuring a comfortable fit for most players. The split silicone palm provides a tacky grip, enhancing your ability to catch the ball. If you are looking for a glove that combines a secure fit with reliable grip and breathability, you should consider this one. What people say. They fit so perfectly it's like Wilson measured my hands while I slept. The grip is so good I could probably catch a greased watermelon in a hurricane. Nice design. Great for catching wet footballs. Just like the pros. Number 4. Eternity Gear's Jester Football Gloves. These gloves feature a high-tack silicone palm, providing an elite grip in all weather conditions. They are designed to give you the control you need to make those crucial catches. The stretch mesh backing ensures your hands stay cool and flexible. This design makes them perfect for both youth and adult football players. With the adjustable Velcro wrist strap, you'll experience a tight, locked-in feel. This feature ensures they stay secure during every play. They are built with reinforced stitching and quality materials for long-lasting use. You can rely on them for tackle or flag football. They offer a sleek look with performance you can trust. They are great for high school, youth, and adult receiver gear. What we like. This glove boasts a high-tack silicone palm, providing an elite grip for those crucial catches. The stretch mesh backing keeps your hands cool and flexible, perfect for intense gameplay. If you are a receiver or playmaker seeking superior grip and performance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Perfect fit for my 10-year-old son. He was absolutely stoked to get these. Quality feels nice and great grip on palms. Nice grip on the gloves and they look cool in person. Great quality and lovely design. Easy to strap on makes catching the ball so much easier, no slip gripping. Great product. Number 3. HANDLANDY Youth Football Gloves for Kids. These gloves feature a one-piece tacky silicone palm, designed for an excellent grip. This helps kids catch and hold onto the football with ease. They are durable and comfortable for long-lasting use. The gloves are made with stretchable, quick-drying spandex on the back and a comfortable lining. This keeps the hands cool and dry during practice or games. They fit comfortably without causing the hands to sweat. They include a terry cloth thumb for wiping away sweat. A snap button keeps the gloves paired, and the hook and loop closure ensures a snug fit. These features add convenience and functionality. The rubbery, sticky grip palm makes these gloves useful for more than just football. You can grab anything easily with them. They are great protective gloves for various outdoor sports and work. Get a pair of these gloves for your boys and girls. They will help them catch the ball like a pro while providing protection. These gloves are a great Christmas gift. Please note that these youth football gloves run large in size. Be sure to choose the right fit by referring to the size chart provided in the pictures. What we like. This glove features an amazing grip, helping young players secure the ball with confidence. The stretchable spandex back keeps hands cool and dry, enhancing comfort during play. If you have a young player who needs a reliable grip and comfortable fit, this glove is an excellent choice. What people say. The gloves fit perfectly and provide excellent grip. The gloves are very durable and have held up well through multiple games. The design is great and the gloves look fantastic on the field. Number 2. SPOMAT Youth Football Gloves for Kids. These gloves are designed with inspiration from the zebra swallowtail butterfly. The design is beautiful and resilient, just like the kids who wear them. It's a perfect gift for young football fans. Looking for the perfect gift? These SPOMAT football gloves are an excellent choice. The cool, ergonomic design makes them stand out, and any young player would love to have them. Made with a blend of ultra-sticky silicone and polyester, these gloves are built to help you catch every ball. They've been rigorously tested in real game scenarios to ensure top performance. The gloves are designed to fit perfectly. The size is based on hand measurements, ensuring a comfortable fit so you can focus on the game. Keeping the gloves clean is simple. Just hand wash them and wipe them down with a damp cloth to maintain the stickiness and durability. They'll be ready for the next game in no time. What we like. This glove features a cool ergonomically design, making it a perfect gift choice for young players. The silicone palm ensures a super stickability for the best game experience. If you are looking for a gift that combines style, performance, and a perfect fit, this glove is a great option. What people say. Color never faded and gloves lasted the whole season. We'll be using these until they fall apart. Super grippy too. Fit perfect and easy to get on and off. The fit was great and the quality for the price was exceptional. He was able to put them on easily and the other players thought they looked so cool, they bought some too. Very functional and comfortable. Number 1. FOCO Men's NFL Palm Logo Texting Gloves. Introducing the FOCO Men's NFL Texting Gloves. These gloves are designed to keep your hands warm while allowing you to stay connected with friends and family. Show your team pride with the NFL team logo on the palm. It's the perfect accessory for any football fan who wants to support their favorite team. The gloves are designed with special material on the fingertips, making it easy to use your phone. You can text, call, and browse without taking them off. Made with soft and warm materials, these gloves provide ultimate comfort. They're perfect for those cold game days or any outdoor activity. Don't let the cold weather stop you from staying connected. Get your FOCO Men's NFL Texting Gloves today and stay warm while showing off your team spirit. What we like. This glove features a palm logo and texting capabilities. If you are looking for a glove that combines style and functionality, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These gloves are perfect and exactly what it says it is. The texting finger and thumbs are a lot better than other gloves and will last a long time. Great quality, keeps hands warm in the winter, durable, great grip, nice fit. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.